Good morning, Jai Sri Swaminarayan. Today we are continuing the next topic. The topic name is place value. You know that this is a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. First we write the short form ones, tens, hundreds, short form is H, thousands and 10,000. Now ones, that means one digit. Tens means we write 10. Hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay. Now we write the relation between ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. First one, 10, 100 is equal to 10 thousands. Okay. Second one, 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Third relation, 100 is equal to 10 tens. And 110 is equal to 10 ones. It is a relation between 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens and ones. Now we write the place value of each 4 in 44,444. Let's see. Now any right number 44,444. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. First we write this number. Okay. Now first we write this place value of 4. This 4 number is ones place. Ones place. That means 4. Okay. Now this second 4 number is tens place. In tens place. That means tens place 4 into 10. That means answer is 40. Now third 4 is 100 place. Place value of 4 in hundreds. That means 4 into 100. Answer is 400. Let's see, this 4 number is 1000 place. Place value of 4 in thousands place. That means 4 into 1000. Answer is 4000. And this last one number 4 is 10,000 plus place value of 4 in 10,000 plus 4 into 1000, the answer is 40,000. This is the place value of 44,444. Okay. Now let's see, the next topic is expanded form of a number. Expanded form of a number, that means addition of the places of 1000 and all the digits of the number, it is called a expanded form. Let's example 44,444. You know that we write the answer is 44 into 10,000. Answer is 40,000. Addition of all the places plus 4 into 1000, 4,000 plus this 4 into 100, the answer is 400 plus 4 into 10, answer is 40 plus 4 into 1, the answer is 4. This is the expanded form. Now next example 52,467. We also write the another method 52,467. That means this first one 5 write down and counting the after number 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 digit we write 40 1, 2, 3, 4 plus. Now second digit is 2. Counting after digit 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. That means we write 30 plus 4. After counting 2 digit 1, 2, write 20, 6. After 1 digit we write 0 plus last digit is 7. Is it right? This is the expanded form 52,467. Okay. Now this is the expanded form and it is called the short form or standard form. हम इस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में से एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं और एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में से हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं, इसका उल्टा. लेट्स सी. Example 58,647. This is the expanded form. Now we write the standard form. First one we write 58,000. That means we write 58. 647. 647. That means you write the only first digit number. Okay. That means this is the answer 58,647. Now second example 80,000 798. This is the expanded form and write standard form. 89,798. This is a standard expanded form and it is called standard form. Now we write the expanded form. Example 74,325. Okay, write the expanded form. 74,000. First one 70,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digit counting, we write 40 plus 4,000. 1, 2, 3 plus 325. Okay, 74,325. This is the expanded form. Next, another example 66,666. Now write expanded form. 66,000. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus this 6, right? 1, 2, 3 plus 600 plus 66. Okay, you understand, students? Now we learn the next topic. The topic name is comparison numbers. Comparison of numbers. First one, we learn the rules of comparison of numbers. First rule, the numbers with the more digit is always greater than the number with the another digit, a less digit. And example 197. You know that 100 is the greater than of 97. You know that the sign is, this sign is greater than and this sign is less than. हंड्रेड है वो 97 से बड़ा है तो we use the sign greater than. Now another example 12,567 and 10,908. Let's see, 12,567 is greater than the 10,908. We use the sign greater than. Okay, and second rules, if the number of the digits are the same, we compare the leftmost digit. If the leftmost digit is also same, we compare the next digit. And also on, for example 56,798 and 57,908. Okay, we counting first digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means the number is same. Now we counting the first. Let's see the first digit. 5, 5. This is also same. Now we see the next digit 6 and 7. 7 is the greater than of 6. मीन्स के 7 है वो 6 से बड़ा है. मीन्स 56,798 से 57,908 है वो बड़ा है। दैट मीन्स हम साइन लगाएंगे लेस देन की। लेस देन मीन्स के 57,908 है वो 56,798 से बड़ा है, तो we use the less than sign. Okay, now next example 85,198 and also 85,278. First we counting the digit 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. The digit is same. Let's see the second digit. Second digit is 5. Also second digit is 5. That means second digit भी same है, तो हम देखेंगे third digit. Third digit is 1. Third digit is 2. That means 2 है वो 1 से बड़ा है, तो 85,198 है वो 85,278 से छोटा होगा। मीन्स के 85,278 बड़ा है, तो हम साइन लगाएंगे लेस देन की। ओके, नाउ यू राइट द होमवर्क। Homework exercise 1.2 question number 1 to 5th। ओके, आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप कमेंट्स में लिख सकते हो। थैंक यू।